What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we're gonna be going over KEMI MOTO heated jacket. Let's go. All right, Kim folk. So today, man, we're actually gonna be going over a heated jacket that came from KEMI MOTO. So I wanna say thank you to KEMI MOTO. Big shout out to them for always supporting the channel, man. So we've got some more products from them. This jacket here is gonna be the heated jacket to where you've got heat on the front side and then you've also got heat on the back side. This jacket also comes with a hood. So it's really cool, which is a removable hood as well. And then you're also gonna get the ability to turn it on and off just here on the chest part here. So right underneath the KEMI MOTO logo. Again, you can remove the hood, so you're just gonna take this just like this and it just unzips, man. Nice and simple like that. It's gonna be a fleece insert as well. So you got fleece there, really nice. We've already unboxed it because we've actually been using the jacket. So it's here in December here in Texas. And so we've been using the jacket. And so it's actually gonna come boxed into the package just like that. Inside it's gonna come also in a plastic bag, and then you'll have your battery separate from the jacket itself in its own little box, along with, of course, the instructions on that. Here on the jacket again, man, this jacket's gonna be waterproof. It's also gonna be windproof. You've got a zipper here on the arm, which is actually big enough for a phone. So you can throw your phone in there and it'll hold your phone in there. The pocket's pretty big on here. On the sleeves, you're also gonna have the adjustable cuff here, so you can take it, make it any size you want to. That way it gets nice and tight around your arm, keeps all that heat in for you. And then here around the neck, you're also gonna have your collar here, right? Hold that collar down, and then of course you can also keep it up as well. And then here on your zipper, you're gonna have this nice little pull handle. So that'll come down just like that. You've also got another pocket here on the front left chest side here. Again, big enough for a phone. I mean, that fits right in there. And then when you open the jacket, the inside is going to be lined with just your standard liner. You'll also have the pocket here, which is going to be for your battery. So your battery will actually go into here. And you'll be able to zip it up and then be able to run the jacket just like that. You're going to have another pocket here with the Velcro. So that's another deep pocket there. You're also going to have some elastic straps here to where you can tighten up the base of the jacket. You'll have your heating inserts going to be all in here, and then you've got another one on this side. On the back side, you're also going to have heating insert into here. So that's going to keep your whole back warm, man, and then the whole chest area warm as well. It's a really cool product, man. Heavy duty, right? So it's going to, like I said, it'll keep you nice and warm. And then the battery that comes with is going to be this battery here. So all you got to do is you can actually hit this little power button. Once you hit it, it'll show you how charged the battery is. So right now it's at 100%. We're gonna take it and hook it up to the USB port. You'll open up your pocket. You've got a cord here, right? It's just gonna connect right into here, just like that. And then once you do that, there's another separate little pocket inside the zipper pocket. And that's just, the battery's just gonna slide right into there. And then you can zip that thing up, zip the jacket up a little bit. And now for the functionality of it, right? So the functionality, man, for here, your power buttons are gonna be here. You can control the back separate from the front. So once you plug it in, you can take your power button, hit it, turn it on, drop that down into that separate pocket there. And then now you'll be able to turn the jacket on and off, right? So you hit the button, hold it, turns it on to preheat. So when you first turn the jacket on, it's gonna go to a preheat setting. It'll actually blink like this here. And what it does is it preheats. And then once it preheats and reaches a certain temperature, then it'll go to the medium setting. I believe it's for 5 minutes it'll preheat. And then it'll go to the medium setting, which is gonna be your white LED, right? If you wanna change it manually, you can hit the button. That'll be medium, low, and then high. So medium, low, and high. So that's the 3 different settings on there. Actually 4, because you got the preheat setting as well. And then you can just hit the button, turn it off, and then that'll turn the jacket completely off there. Now, once you do that, the cool thing about this battery is that you can actually use it to charge something too, right? So it's an actual power bank. So you've got a Type C in, Type C, and then so mini USB, and then a Type C, right? And then this is your out, and then that's just your power button. And it gives you all of it here, right? On and off, out, and in. So if this is going to be an out, you plug that into there, take your phone or any device you need to charge, plug it in, boom, starts charging it. So it's an actual power bank. It's really cool, man. And then again, to charge it, you can either use a Type-C to charge it or your mini USB. Is that what it is? Mini USB to charge it. So, and then it shows you your power bank percentage there as well. Which in turn means that if something happens and you have extra power bank, you can actually use that as long as it's a USB. You can actually use that to charge or to run the jacket. So if this one runs down and this battery is completely dead, you can actually get another power bank if you have one and actually plug it up to here and actually run the jacket with it as well. So that's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Your battery box is going to come in, or your battery is going to come in here along with a charger as well. And usually I think it came with 80% charge, so I went ahead and charged it to 100% before I started using the actual jacket. But that's it, man. I mean, the jacket's, like I said, it's really cool. You can wash it, it's washable. You just gotta you got to follow the directions on it. Before washing the apparel, disconnect and remove the battery from the zipper pocket. Put the connector back and zip up. Recommend to use mesh laundry bag and gentle cycle in cold water. Do not iron or dry clean. Never wear if liner is wet, and do not allow the cords to be pinched or forced pull out. Heating elements are not recommended to be or to touch bare skin. So there, yeah, and it's waterproof. So if you get caught out in the rain, this thing here will actually protect you from that as well. So I'll get it off this dummy and put it on this dummy. If I can show you exactly what it looks like. So this one was a extra large, right? So this is an extra large. I'm 5'11". I'm 5'11", about 190, 200 pounds. Hey, weighty. So it's really cool, man. Your pockets, your zippers. The zippers are really easy to use, really easy to get to. So it's a really nice jacket, really nice jacket. So KEMI MOTO, thank you so much for all the support. We appreciate it. So there's your jacket from KEMI MOTO. So if you want to go check them out, man, the links will be down below, so you can check that jacket out. We ended up getting this jacket so we can continue to ride during the winter time. So
my question to you is, from a rating of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, what would you give this jacket?
It's definitely it's gonna be up there. I mean, I haven't tried a lot of heated gear though, right? So this is basically the first heated gear, but I will tell you this. It does what it's supposed to do, right? So we actually wore it, she wore it on the slingshot, I've worn it on the motorcycle, and it keeps you warm, man. Like if you put on that high setting, it's gonna get up there and it's gonna get you warmed up. So I'm gonna actually, let me read you the actual temperature settings that it goes to. It says at a room temperature of 77 degrees, the heat will rise to 131 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. On high, 122 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. On medium, and 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit on low. So that's pretty warm, right? So it does its job. It definitely gets you there, and it'll keep you warm. So it's a good protective layer to wear on top of your other stuff, and that way you stay warm anytime you're outside in the cold weather or on a motorcycle or a slingshot. So again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and then also the link for the product will be down below as well. So until next time, until next install or review, or until next adventure, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.